Understanding macronutrients. 10 simple points. Macronutrients are the building blocks of a healthy diet, providing the energy and nutrients your body needs to function optimally. In this segment, we'll break down the role of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and explore 10 simple points to help you understand their importance in your diet. 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, providing fuel for physical activity and essential bodily functions. Sources of carbohydrates include grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and dairy products. Choose complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide fiber and essential nutrients, over refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugary snacks. 2. Proteins. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and producing enzymes and hormones. Sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Aim to include a variety of protein sources in your diet to ensure that you get all the essential amino acids your body needs for optimal health. 3. Fats. Fats play a vital role in cell structure, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Choose healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds, over saturated and trans fats found in fried foods and processed snacks. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, are particularly beneficial for heart health and brain function. 4. Energy balance. Balancing your intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats is essential for maintaining energy balance and supporting overall health. While carbohydrates and proteins provide 4 calories per gram, fats provide 9 calories per gram, making them a concentrated source of energy. Be mindful of portion sizes and aim to consume a balanced combination of macronutrients at each meal to support your energy needs. 5. Nutrient timing. The timing of macronutrient intake can influence energy levels, performance, and recovery. Consuming carbohydrates before and after exercise provides fuel for physical activity and promotes glycogen replenishment. Including protein in your post-workout meal or snack supports muscle repair and growth. 6. Glycemic index. The glycemic index GI ranks carbohydrates based on their effect on blood sugar levels. Choosing low GI carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and non-starchy vegetables, can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Pairing carbohydrates with protein and healthy fats can further slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. 7. Fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate found in plant-based foods that promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and supports weight management. Aim to include plenty of fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. 8. Protein quality. The quality of dietary protein depends on its amino acid composition and digestibility. Animal-based proteins, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, are considered complete proteins because they contain all the essential amino acids in the right proportions. Plant-based proteins may be incomplete, but can be combined to form complete proteins by pairing complementary sources such as beans and rice or hummus and whole wheat pita. 9. Essential fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are essential fats that must be obtained from the diet because the body cannot produce them on its own. While omega-6 fatty acids are abundant in vegetable oils, omega-3 fatty acids are found in fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Including a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in your diet supports heart health, brain function, and inflammation regulation. 10. Individual needs. It's essential to consider individual factors such as age, gender, activity level, and health status when determining your macronutrient needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a personalized nutrition plan that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. In conclusion, understanding the role of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your diet is essential for supporting overall health and well-being. By incorporating a balance of these macronutrients into your meals and snacks, you can fuel your body effectively, regulate energy levels, and promote optimal health. Remember to focus on nutrient-dense sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and tailor your intake to meet your individual needs and preferences.